Whichever is nearest and whichever is safest, use the staircase and come down and come at the assembly area. This is not assembly area, move slightly away there. Now while there is smoke, when there is smoke, never run. When there is smoke, never run in smoke. Take a kerchief or a cloth, tie it around your nose and mouth fast, and go crawling. You're supposed to go crawling. Why? Because smoke always goes up. Smoke always goes up. When you're crawling, your vision is clear. Your vision is clear, toxicity is less. If you stand up, the toxicity becomes more there, becomes more. So your vision is clear. Why you're supposed to cover your nose and mouth? It filters the toxicity. By chance, flames to the body, never run. Never run with flames to the body. Common sense is stop, drop on the ground, and roll on the ground is very, very important. When there is flames on the body, why you're not supposed to run? If you run, it increases. Why you're supposed to drop is when you stand up, maximum flames to your brain. Cover your eyes and face, your God-given ID card. Stop, drop on the ground, and roll on the ground is common sense. Now you want to save this person. You want to save this person. He or she is screaming. Search for a bedsheet or a blanket. Search for a bedsheet or a blanket. Never come in the front. Never come in the front. If you come in the front, that person also will hug you and say, you also come along with me. First time I'm going there. Never go in the front. Always from the side or the back. Put on the person and roll the person on the ground is common sense. In our country, 4 important numbers is knowing common sense. Police is 100, fire is 101, and traffic number, 103, and single number in both the states is 108. Now friends, while evacuating the buildings, I said, SS physically challenged, SS pregnant ladies. You can't tell them, तुम लोग lift के अंदर जाओ, जल्दी जा सकते, जल्दी नीचे नहीं ऊपर जा सकते. How to assess those people there? Imagine he's not able to walk. Assess these people by making a small chair. It's called as 2 hands. Make a small chair and say, come on, sit, and we take you as quickly as possible. Helping somebody to be evacuated from the floors. Maybe a colleague there, somebody is carrying there, pregnant. Little heavier. 3 hands. What is 3 hands? He gives 2, he gives 1, and say, come on, sit, and we take you as quickly as possible. Helping somebody to be evacuated from the floors. So that person needs help. That person will be physically challenged or a pregnant ladies. Now you may say, we have got some 100 kgs, very 100 kgs. We can't tell them, why did you eat so much? My right to the left, we join together and we say, come on, sit. And we take you as quickly as possible. It's called as 4 hands. Helping somebody to be evacuated from the floors. It's called as 4 hands. Let me show you a lift called fireman's lift. Conscious or unconscious. It's called as fireman's lift. Conscious or unconscious person also can be put, and my one hand is still free there. It's called as a fireman's lift. A small child has to be evacuated, which is from a theater. Tell the child, hold me tight, and you come out, excuse me. The child will not leave you, and we come out as quickly as possible there. Now friends, your building has enough. I repeat, when you open the wall, the gas comes out with a sound. Don't leave the extinguisher enough, because you all know that whichever gas from wherever it comes, आवाज तो आ जाएगा उधर. So इधर से भी आवाज आएगा. So here let the sound. आवाज आ जाएगा. Non-poisonous. Sealed gases. Thumbs up, soda, Sprite, Fanta, Miranda, beer. When I say beer, a lot of guys gets confidence. Some of you can move this side. 2 minutes here. Yeah, here, little there. My friend. Hello. Yes. Just forgot one important.
2-step.
And he operates, and then I want 1 or 2 wardens to operate the small fire, and the fire is out. 1 step back so that your safety is important. Still, once again, do not inhale the smoke. Yeah, little is enough. Yeah. Bring the extinguisher this side. The smoke is going that side. I want to do wardens there. Show your colleagues that yes, you're training the basic training. Left hand hose. Support the extinguisher. Little is enough. Little. You open it very little. Little. Yes, very good. We have a clap in there. Lift the base. 1 or 2 wardens there. 1 or 2 wardens. Left hand rubber. And little, very little. Open the wall little. That's all. Why I'm saying little is it should jump out. You know, the people are standing there. One or two people there, you know, one or two there. Left hand rubber. Left hand rubber. Reverse. Good. Little more. One or two there. Left hand rubber. I wanted a non-ERD member from the fourth floor. A non-ERD member after this. Anybody can. One of you from fourth floor. Yeah, you're from fourth floor. Fourth floor, please. Fourth floor. Yes. If you put some fourth floor, it's totally safe there. Let me see. 1 second. 1 second. Little is enough. Fourth floor is totally safe there. Third floor. I want something from third floor. Yes. My friend. Left third floor. बचा दो उधर अभी 1 मिनट वॉल खोलना है रिवर्स वॉल कंट्रोल वॉल यस थर्ड फ्लोर आल्सो totally safe second floor you don't miss floor easy can everybody can left hand above easy can everybody can once again anti-clockwise listen open the wall come on you can I can we can open the wall little more fantastic the simple it is 500 all clear kindly go back